The son of the pastor wey go snatch person wife don come outside again. Come dey give us light on wetin really happen for this matter. For those of una wey no remember, una know of one pastor wey be say we hear say Pastor Moses Adeoye, he go snatch person wife wey be Mr. Bright Ben. Na this matter na we still dey talk about now. Now Peter Adeoye don come outside dey narrate say him mama suffer with this pastor, build this pastor. Say in fact this pastor start from scratch with this mama. All of a sudden now this pastor come decide say make him mama pack out of the house. Say no one marry the mama again. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
We came to Port Harcourt when I was very, very small. Very small. My dad started ministry in Lekaya. That Lekaya branch church. We, most especially I, went to carry sand. We didn't buy sand though, to build that church. We didn't buy sand. In very early, 5 a.m., I will carry shovel, I will carry wheelbarrow, pack sand from gutter. They are building. My mother, my sister will carry wood, bang, 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 build the church, struggle, build the church. By God's grace, we struggled that we suffered, and God bless my father. Was able to send me to Ghana, where I studied. My father is a good man, from beginning. He's a good man from beginning. The issue is that my father and my mother, they have some marital crisis, a normal marital crisis, as other family have. But my father decided to go to the court. Though, when he served us the court later to fight for divorce, I, my mother, my wife, his grandfather. So, are you getting what I'm saying? Please keep sharing, let the world know. One day, I think 3 months ago now, all of a sudden, before the court will say anything, because we are still, my mother is still in the court process. My father carried my mother's luggages out of the house, rented 1-room apartment in one place. They call that place Harmony Estate, very close to Tank there. Some of you know the place. Rented the place. My mother was shocked. Where's my load? Where are my load? Where are my load? So somebody else, I gave her key that your husband has packed your load. God has not said anything.
Wahala no dey finish inside this Nigeria. But I be like say this guy, he be like say no today okay. Because if you not listen to that, you no go even understand what him dey talk. But now this guy they claim say him papa na good man. Say before the papa na good man, but he be like say now devil don't enter inside this papa. I know be na Madam Tina Adeoye. Now come be the devil where this guy they talk to. Say to Rame, him papa never remarry you. Say because of waiting. Say him papa and him mama. Fine, the man carry divorce papers come. That was last year. Come give the woman. Ona the reason waiting at the reason. Now this same last year, now Ben talk say him wife carry him load come out from house. Now this same last year self. Now Madam Tina talk say she go Lagos go find work. And now this same last year self, pastor said, hey, ona they see waiting and they see say it be like say something there for this whole matter. Something fishy they go down for this kind of thing. But now this guy they come out, Peter they claim say in parents matter still there for court. Say court never even dissolve the matter, they never even finalize this legal thing. Before he come they hear saying papa don't go marry again. But to me, I the reason say this guy just won't come outside, won't come talk. Because me gonna by the grace of God, now you still understand this guy. What me I really need explanation from now the pastor. Make this pastor come outside because as a man of God, make a reason this kind of thing. Is it right for you to marry person wife? Because now in fact it is inside Bible. It is for the 10 commandments say thou shalt not steal somebody's wife. I be had a tay writer. So how be say a pastor? You know say this woman, she still there with man. They never even finalize their legal divorce. You self as a pastor, your own self, you never finalize them. You can't go now, go they devour another person's wife. Say and the wife where God tell you say make you marry. When be say before you start the pastor thing, God no tell you say that this person is supposed to marry. Now you can't come outside they talk this kind of thing. And I hope say no be say this Madam Tina said don't use her punate deceive this pastor. Because this one this pastor don't they misbehave. I don't know what I go talk. But Pastor Adeoye, we go like to make you come outside can't talk. Make we really hear what it happen as you be man of God. At least if you shed more light on top this matter, I'm sure say people will understand. And this guy said, this guy thought say he said be pastor. I beg now God call you a being. I don't turn this into family business. Your papa na pastor, you sef come decide say you wan be pastor. What dey happen? Una sure say no because of money. Because now na just be like say na just dey mock God. Anybody fit just wake up one day say one come decide say one be pastor. But abeg this matter make una carry am go in a family house. Behind na in a family compound na make una just settle am. Because this drama e don dey too much. Today husband go come outside talk this one. Wife go come outside now na pikin and wife na everybody just dey come outside dey talk him. So abeg this matter don tire us. Make una just carry am go in a house go settle am. If una come settle am finish make una come outside come give us the better details. Because this matter be something dey inside wey no dey pure. Una dey hide something about this matter. Abi my people, this one wey I talk, wetin una reason about am? Anything wey una feel, make una no forget to write am inside the comment section. I go see una for the next video.